Good evening, Meena.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
And I'm also fine. What's going on?
Uh, Nothing special.
Okay, I think you are say something about to something last.
No.
Okay. So what are you doing nowadays?
I am doing study.
Study. Which class?
I am studying 12th class.
Okay. So what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Okay, English. So what you know about English?
English is a very important for us because we can see in this time English is a very important for everyone. Without English we can't success in his life because uh, with the help of English we can doing a better, and with the help of English we can get a job very easily. Okay.
So English is most important. It is right. You are absolutely right. But you know, it is just a language and also subject. It is part of education. So what do you think about education?
So education is a very important for us. Education is a very important for everyone life. When you are educated, so you society gave you a respect, and why education you do better.
Okay, great. You know, without education, everyone's life is nothing. Because if you are uneducated, how to survive in their life? It is impossible. If you uneducated, how to talk someone in a good way? It is impossible. For this, you have to do educate. You have to do study, and study with study, it is makes your future bright. With the help of education, you get achieve successes very soon. So for education, you have to do hard work. You have to do smart work. After that, you get success. So what do you think about how many type of education in India?
I don't know.
Okay. So there are two type of education system like government education system and private education. And also one part of education we can say the co-education. Do you know about co-education? Yes.
Co-education mean for boys and girls study together in the same institution, and it is a very good thing because on this system, girls and boys understand to very easily with each other. It is a very good.
Okay, you are absolutely right. Co-education, it is part of education where girl and boy study together without any education. There are many advantage and merits of co-education because it is reduce our hesitation and it will boost our confidence. Where we talk each other, girls and boys, we can feel any grateful and we feel a good environment. So, what is the disadvantage of co-education? Do you know? Okay, now I tell you. Now, number of students sitting here and study together, girls and boy, both are study. So now there are some make great cases. Now, eve teasing cases, and they involve in love relationship. It is divert your mind to study. It is the big disadvantage of education. So we should never do this, and we take care of yourself. Do study better with the help of co-education. There are many advantages. It is depend on you how to survive in their system. So what you think about it?
So it is a very good for us, and we know very well number of disadvantage of co-education and number of advantage of co-education. So I wanna tell you advantage of co-education. So by the co-education we can share our thoughts with each other, and and understand very easily, and we
Okay, that's all. So do you have any other query about education, about co-education, any type of query you can ask me?
so I have an query.
No query. Okay, so how to get success? Do you know about it? How to get success? Yes.
We know very well everybody in the world dream to achieve something or become something because success is a powerful word. It is not. It's get a not easy. It for it's we can do hard work and smart work also. Without hard work, we can't success. We can't get success, and success demands a hard work and smart work also. So success means is a different thing to different people, because when you think different, so you can do different. So always remember, one pen, one book, and one teacher can change the world.
Okay, great. You are absolutely right. So now I tell about how to get success. We're not talking about this topic. Okay. So first of all, you have to do hard work and you have to do struggle and more, because without struggle there is no value of success. So if your struggle is too hard, now success is coming soon in your life. If you achieve success, you get a comfortable life and you get a good lifestyle. After success, we are not trying to this session, because after failure, not trying to study. After success, not try to education. So any theory do you?
Yeah, I want to
Yeah.
speak about success. So success is a journey, not a destination. So go for destination. Enjoy your journey, because success is a very good thing. Every person want to become a successful person in his life. But how? You know?
Yes. So first of all, can you tell me again what you are saying?
I wanna ask you how to get a success and how.
How? So is the main reason you have to do hard work, do study, do smart work, and make yourself good and makes a great life after you get success soon. What you know, who is the well successful person? There are number of successful person. Who is the well successful person? No. Okay, I tell you. What is the use of success? Suppose that you are successful person, how to survive in their life? If you are unable to talk someone, if you are unable to go anywhere, if you are unable to speak on the stage, what is the use of your success? If you know how to talk someone, if you know how to convince any person, if you know how to do respect their people, after that you are a well successful person. So it is a well successful person, because without do respect, you are unable to do this. So for get respect, you have make a respectable full person. After that you are become a successful person. Do you have